Come along with me to find fabric for my Margot Robbie Barbie Western outfit. First stop was Joann's, my happy place. Got a bit distracted by all the beautiful Yaya Han fabrics, had to put on my blinders. So these fabrics were too sequiny, too velvety, too satiny, too meshy, too thin, and this one was just not even straight up the right color. Then I got distracted by this gorgeous fabric before I remembered that I own this and I need to actually use it in the project. Oh crap, going too fast. Too salmony, but I love the material. Too lycra-y, but the color was delicious. Then these colors were great, but then I realized that they were flannel. Put my blinders back on and told myself I was not going to get distracted. Found a zipper but didn't get it because I figured I'd wait on that. Looked through the clearance, didn't find anything. This was very cheap, but it was a good color. Then I found what I thought would be amazing. Look at that pink, it's gorgeous. So I took it down to have a better look. Ultimately deciding that it was a good color, but it would have been a good backup option because it was pretty thin and I was also worried it would shrink in the wash. So got in the car, went to Hobby Lobby. Not Hobby Lobby's biggest fan, but there we are. Hobby Lobby did not really work out. Found a couple of fabrics, but as you can see, that was so see-through and yeah, it was a bust. Day 2, woo! Went to a local fabric store. Right off the bat, found this gorgeous pink. Look at that poplin! I was really looking for a denim-y type of fabric, so I was all about texture while I was looking at these fabrics. They were pretty cheap too. Amazing prices at this place. This one was awesome! This was in their little remnants section at the front of the store. I really loved this, but I was determined to look at the whole store to see everything. And as you can see, this place is massive. It is gigantic. Highly recommend going to M&L Fabrics in Stanton, California. Loved the texture, too scratchy. Super soft, but too stretchy. And kind of kept running into that same thing. I was finding gorgeous colors, but they were pretty scratchy or super stretchy, which is great, but not really what I wanted. Loved the texture of this one, and look how cheap it was. And finally, I found the bolts of that original fabric that I found up at the front in the remnants, and I fell even more in love with it, and I was pretty sure that this was what I needed to go home with. Look at the texture, it looks kind of denim-y. I loved it. There it is waiting up at the front for me to buy it. Yay! And I got to go home a happy girl with my fabric. Let's make some pants. They were very big on me once I sewed all the pieces together in the last video, so thus began the trial and error process of fitting them to my bust a little bit better. Now, one thing about this fabric is that it is not stretchy at all, so I kind of had to decide at this moment, do I want to be able to move or do I want it to look good? And when I say move, I'm talking about like squats or heavy lunges or something like that. I can obviously walk around and move, but 99% of the time I function or perform kind of gal, but I went the opposite direction this time and I'm glad I did. Long story short, I made them really fitted and then made little separately attached bell bottoms out of those. And they're not going to be detachable or anything, but I made them separately because they are made separately on Margot Robbie's pants. So I thought, whatever she does, I'll do, I suppose. I forgot to say also that at some point I sewed the accent lines on the front and back seams of the pants. I would also like to point out that I only lined the bottom of the pants because I am planning on wearing black leggings underneath the pants as they are a tad see-through. So I didn't want the bell bottoms to be sticking to the leggings that I was wearing underneath. So I made a lining so they would kind of slip and slide against each other a little bit. I sewed one bell bottom on and it was easy and I was so proud of myself, and then it took me not one, not two, but 3 attempts to sew the other one on